Hi, my name is Hanis Arifa binti Muhammad Hasmuddin. My student ID number is 2023859164.
And my name is Nur Ain Kistina binti Khairul Fasli, and my student ID is 2023846298.
Hi, my name is Tengku Putri Aisyah binti Tunku Nur Ismaili and my student ID number is 2023604516.
Hi, my name is Nur Akila Kamarina binti Kamaru Azhar. My student ID number is 2023683524.
So now I will explain briefly about the compound interest. Compound interest is calculated on the original or principal value and the accumulated past interest. When we borrow money from a bank, we pay the interest. If you want to know how much interest you will earn on your investment or how much we will pay above the cost of the principal amount of a loan, we will need to understand how compound interest works. In this chapter, we will learn how to find the future value, compound interest, and present value of investment or loan. And the next is compound interest. Simple interest computation is based on the original principal, which does not change from time to time. But compound interest computation is based on the principal, which changes from time to time. The principal value increases from time to time according to the compound interest rate. For the compound interest formula, S equals to P bracket 1 plus I bracket power N. The compound interest I is the difference between future value and principal value. That is, I equals to S minus P. Present value P equals to S bracket 1 plus I bracket power N. And that's it for compound interest.
For question 2, Ahmad invests Rm 12,500 at 8.5% compounded quarterly for 12 years. Find the amount at the end of investment and the interest earned. So first, we need to find I and N. For I, the formula is I equal to K divided to M. I equal to 0.085 divided to 4 equal to 17 per 800. For N, the formula is N equal to MT. MT means M multiplied to T. 4 multiplied 12 equal to 48. Next, we need to find S. The formula for S is S equal to P in bracket 1 plus I to the power of N. So, 12,500 in bracket 1 plus 17 divided to 800 to the power of 48. So the answer is Rm 34,296.46. Next, we need to find the interest earned. The formula is I equal to S minus 2P. So Rm 34,296.46 minus 2 Rm 12,500 equal to Rm 21,796.46.
B. 8 years ago, Raihan invested RFX at a bank which offered an interest rate of 8.5% compounded semi-annually. If the accumulated amount in the account today is 5,618.95, find the value of X. So we already have S, which is 5,618.95, and we need to find I, also N.
For I, 0.085 divided to 2 equal to 17 per 400. For n, to multiply with 8 equal to 16. To find x, which p, we can use the same formula as formula to find s. So, as we already have which 5618.95 equal x in bracket 1 plus 17 divided to 400 to the power of 16. So we can simplify first in bracket 1 plus 17 divided to 400 to the power of 16 equal to 1.9463. Then the answer for x is 2886.94. So we continue with next question. If another 1,500 is added in the same account today, find the compound amount at the end of the next 2 years. So first, we need to find amount of 2,886.94 investment after 8 years ago. The formula is as equal to P in bracket 1 plus I to the power of n. 2,886.94 in bracket 1 plus 17 divided 400 to the power of 16. So we get our 5,618.94. Next, we must find amount of investment after at 1,500. P new equal 5,618.94 plus 1,500 equal to 7,118.94. Lastly, we need to find amount at the end of investment. The formula is as equal P new in bracket 1 plus I to the power of n. 7,118.94 in bracket 1 plus 17 divided 400 to the power of 2 in bracket 10 equal 16,365.78.
Explain in detail the concept of annuity and list the related formula. An annuity is a series of equal payment made at an equal interval of time. Example of annuity is shop rental, insurance policy, installment payment, and etc. In each case, equal payment are deposit or paid periodically over time. Symbol in topic annuity: compound interest I, present value A, future accumulate or maturity value S, equal payment R, and term of investment N. Formula: future value S equal to R, open the first bracket, on another bracket 1 plus I to the power of N minus with 1 and divide with I. Present value A equal to R, open the first bracket, 1 minus open bracket 1 plus I, close bracket, power negative of N, divide with I.
Hi, so I will be explaining about question 4, which is A. Zaim must pay 1,300 ringgit every month for 25 years to settle the housing loan, which charge 3.5% compounded monthly. Calculate the cash price of the house and the total interest charge. So as you can see, I have listed all the things you need to search for before proceeding with this question given. Okay, here is R equals to 1,300 ringgit and then M is 12. Why is it 12? It's because it's been compounded monthly, so the frequency will be 12. And then after that, T will be 25. And then K is going to be 0.035. After that, N equals to MT, which is 12 multiplied by 25, then you will get 300. Last but not least, it's I equals to K over M, which is 0.035 over 12. Okay, so let's proceed here. The cash price that we are going to use the formula of present value, which is A equals to R, 1 minus 0.035 over 12, power of negative 300 divided by 0.035 over 12. And the A equals to 1,300 ringgit in brackets 199.7509. And then you will multiply these two, so you will get A, which is 259,676.17 cents. Okay, so let's go to the total interest charge. So for the formula we are going to put here will be I equals to N multiply R minus A. This formula is for total interest charge, so just fill in, and it will be I equals to N, which is 300 multiplied by 1,300, and then minus 259,676.17, and the answer for interest, which is I, is going to be 130,323.83. Proceed for the next slide. Question B. Kamal decided to buy a television set for 8,000 ringgit and agreed to pay for it with 24 equal monthly payments, 1.5% compounded monthly. So for this question, we need to calculate the monthly payment, as the formula that goes well with this equation is present value, which is A equals to R, 1 minus 1 plus I power of negative n over I. For Roman 1, the A will be 8,000 equals to R, 1 minus 1 plus 0.015 over 12 power of negative 24 divided by 0.015 over 12. To that, you need to switch 8,000 with the R, so it will be placed and 800 over 23.6290. So the final calculations of capital R will be 338.57 cents. So for Roman 2, it says we need to calculate about the interest paid by Kamal. If it says calculate interest paid, in order to find interest, you need to use I equals to N multiplied by capital R minus A equations. Let me show you. So we already have the N, right? As earlier, we got the N is by multiply M and T, and then we get 24, which is 12, multiply to 2, then you will get 24. So as it goes, N is 24 in brackets, is the R earlier that on Roman 1 that we discover, which is 338 ringgit 57 cents, and minus the A that will be 8,000, and calculate all of these, then the answer will be 125 ringgit 68 cents. Last question for Roman 3 is, if Kamal failed to pay for the first third payments, how much should he pay on the fourth payment to settle the outstanding arrears? In order to search and calculate for the fourth payment, the formula that I will be using here is future value, which is S equals to R, 1 plus I power of N minus 1 over I. As you can remember on the previous calculations, which is the I is 0.015 because of 1.5% over 12, because it's compounded monthly, and the capital R on the previous slide is 338 ringgit 57 cents. As it goes for the S is for the fourth payment we want to search for is equals to 338 ringgit 57 cents in brackets is 1 plus 0.015 over 12 minus 1 divided by 0.015 over 12. And we will get 338 ringgit 57 cents multiplied by 4.0075. And the answer will be for the fourth payment is 1,356 ringgit 82 cents.